Struggling to build a professional, high-performing website? Spending hours on DIY only to end up with slow load times and poor mobile design? Frustrated with a clunky CMS that makes simple updates feel stressful? Or is your site buried in search results, making it hard for customers to find you? Maybe you're worried about accessibility, feeling overwhelmed by ADA compliance without knowing where to start. Catapult Web Solutions is here to lift that burden. Our responsive, fast-loading designs look amazing on any device, and our user-friendly CMS makes updates simple. We optimize for SEO with clean, mobile-friendly code and integrated analytics to improve search visibility. Plus, we follow ADA compliance best practices to ensure your site is inclusive for all users. Our reliable hosting and award-winning support team handle updates and resolve any issues, so you can focus on growing your business. Request a free design demo today.